My diamonds is changing the forecast. I just woke up in Dior tags. Walk in the store in Dior splash. We getting chicken like DoorDash. Remember I couldn't afford that.
Woo! Let's go. No cap. No bat. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, JDI family. Welcome back to another extremely lit video. Before we start, shout out to everybody that's part of Noti Gang. If you're part of Noti Gang, drop that Noti Gang down in the comments and let me know if you're part of Noti Gang, bro. Y'all know we extremely lit. I love and appreciate every last single one of you. You feel me? Let's go, y'all. All right, so today we have a very, very busy day today. I got a few videos I gotta do in one day, just one day. I'm gonna try to knock out like 2-3 videos today. I'm trying to knock out 2-3 videos today. That's a big grind right there, big grinder. You feel me? I'm trying to knock out 2 or 3 videos. Right now, we have to go tighten my chain on the Yz250. We have a pedal bike ride out we gotta go to. I'm gonna bring you guys to my niece's baby shower. If you guys watched the one vlog, the action-packed vlog that we did the little gender reveal. It's her baby shower today. We got a lot of stuff we gotta do in a short amount of time. What's this on my camera right here? I don't know what this is. Ugh, get off of here. But listen, we got a lot to do in a short amount of time. I gotta really, you know what I mean, take advantage of the time we have. So, I mean, let's just get to it. First thing we gotta do is go tighten this chain on the Yz250. Cause we bringing her out in a little bit. Got a little, you know what I mean, got a nice little video for you guys today, for sure. You feel me? And we also got a pedal bike ride out. I'm not bringing the 250 there, but I am gonna bring the Yamaha Yz250, cause why would I bring the 250? I mean, there is gonna be some dirt bikes and stuff, but I think I want to be on the Yz today, just to be with the pedal bikes and be able to go their speed and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be on the Yz today. But we got a lit day today, lit busy day today. So without further ado, let's just jump into this video. All right, you guys. So tell me how I pull up to the hideout and I leave the bucket at the house. My nigga, I left the bucket at the house, bro. I can't even tighten my chain. This been getting tightened one way or another. This been getting tightened. I don't know how, because I'm not going all the way back, bro. Like, I'm not going all the way back, bro. I can't. But tell me how I leave the bucket at the crib. Yo, I be worming. I try to tell y'all, like, bro, I really be worming. Low key. I'm not even gonna cap. Let me hear what she sounded like, though. Cold start. It is a little chilly out here right now. I ain't gonna cap. We had that summer weather last week, though. Uh-oh. What's going on? We got gas in this bit? Like, don't do me that. Oh yeah, she full. Yeah, she definitely full. There we go. I know the vibe. Yes, Thirsty. Oh, she clean. With the smoke skin. Still on choke too. Oh, no, she's not. Yeah, that's my bed. Let's get this chain tightened up though. Let me set y'all up. Gotta make sure everybody right in here, you feel me? Make sure the JDI family right. Get y'all right real quick. We good? Oh yeah, we good. We good. All right, let's get this chain tightened. Hopefully, we could get this joint tightened up, you guys. I don't know, but it's worth, you know what I mean? It's worth a try. I don't know. Oh, we don't even have. Oh my God, look at this. This don't even fit on here. I don't even. I'm about to break something, bro. Never got the right stuff. Literally about to cry, guys. Like, bro, I don't have nothing to. Bro, I can't even look. My nigga, I can't even loosen the bolt off the rim because I'm worming. I don't have nothing here. Bro, we gotta go all the way back and then come all the way back because I don't even have nothing. Bro, I literally feel like breaking something right now, bro. What's up? Just playing with me, bro. It's really getting me tight right now. Trey, you gotta stop moving like that, jeez. Dang, bro. I'll be back, y'all. Finally, I have the bucket. I got my bucket right here. Y'all know the vibes. We ain't got no stand, so we gotta use the bucket. I don't even know if this fits on here. Grab this from the house. Oh, this side might fit. I ain't even gonna hold you. Let's see. Oh, no, it don't even fit. That's okay, though. We got these. I don't recommend you guys use vice grips on that because you could strip this. Don't use no vice grips, but I mean, that's all we got today. You feel me? Bucket bit in the inside. Get that little bend out there real quick. Oh, I think we got it. Almost. Look. Oh yeah, we got it. We got the little bend out of there and everything. We lit. Alright, set y'all down. I'm gonna put y'all like right here. We getting ready for the pedal bike ride out. And also I got another vid I'm doing today. You feel me? Trey trying to knock out 2-3 vids today. I'll really be working though, y'all. I ain't gonna cap. Trey really grinding for that 10K. We like right there. Don't worry, y'all. We gonna reach that joint soon. Let's get this. This bike is heavy. I think that's good enough right there. Alright. Set that like that. Loosen this up. Like I said, don't use vice grips on your boat. I don't recommend it. And this joint is super tight. We might not be able to tighten this joint today. I do not want to strip this bolt at all. I'm not even gonna cap. Dang. This joint on. Dang. See what I mean, y'all? What the heck is going on here? Dang. This one do fit. Kind of. Oh my gosh. It's not doing nothing but messing my thing up. See, that's why I don't want to use nothing I don't. You feel me? Honestly, we might have to rock with the loose chain just for the day, cause this is crazy. I really don't have no socket to go on there. Let me see. We not gonna be able to tighten this chain today because Trey don't got the right stuff. So I mean, it is what it is. Look what I already did to the bolt. Y'all see it? Y'all see that? Like I'm not even gonna mess with it no more because I'm not trying to mess myself up. So I'm just gonna leave it how it is. We're gonna have to rock with the baggy chain. We'll be alright for a little while, you know? I mean, it is what it is. Well, listen, we're gonna go to the house, get the Yamaha Yz250F started and going for this pedal bike ride out. So without further ado, let's get it. We at the garage. We got the Yz250F right here. You hear me, folk? Gotta get her nice and warmed up. I don't know how much gas we got in here or nothing. Let's see. We got half a tank almost. Uh-oh. We running on low today, y'all. I ain't doing cat, and I ain't got no gas. None. Let's see if the electric start gonna work on her. Let's see. I gotta hold y'all like this though. Okay. Come on, come on. You that cold? Electric start not working. She gotta get warmed up. Alright. Y'all know what we about to do. You hear me, folks? Y'all know what we about to do. Yes, Ersky. One kicker. Don't play with me. One more epic kicker. Two smoker. Two-stroke season. She gotta get warmed up. You hear her bogging? She gotta get warmed up. Let me open this garage up. I ain't gonna lie, look at the tires on her though. Really fresh. Look how fresh those tires are. Look how fresh that tire is. Fresh. Fresh. You got the back on. Look how fresh that door is. Fresh. Little Kappa. I love this scooter. We might have to go get some True Smoker. Oh, nah. Oh, you know what, y'all? I might have some. I'm not even sure. Oh, I got some Benol right here. Yes, sir. Benol right here. We could go get some gas too. We're gonna bring this with us. For sure. Feel me? Definitely gonna hit the gas station. She seemed like she hit 30 like this though. For sure. Let's see if she hit 30 today. Come on. We gotta rock. Uh-oh, she's bogging out. Oh, come on, baby. Don't do that. Don't do that today. It's probably this. Come on, hit 30. Come on, hit 30. Okay, she's going. She's definitely going today. Okay, that's good. That's all we need to know. She's going. Come on. Let's see if we can hit 30 actually. Come on. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Hit that 30. Hit that 30, baby girl. She's not hitting it. No, she didn't want to hit it. Oh, man. She's still going now. It's alright. I can ride it like this. Woo. Had to get her nice and ready. I'm about to burn them up on the pedal bikes on this joint right here. You do, bro? Put her on the kick. Stand. We definitely gotta go grab some gas though. How y'all liking her? She pretty. Look at, I did put that 6 sticker on there. You feel me? Got one of them. Alright, you guys, listen, we are gonna end this vlog right here. So stay tuned for the next video, because that's the pedal bike ride out. And then I'm gonna have another video on top of that. 3 videos in one day. Trey is working. Let's get it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.